Membership operators. They are used to test whether the value or variable is found in the sequence. Sequence like string, list, tuple, dictionary, set. In dictionary, we can only test the presence of key, not the value. Membership operators are two types, in and not in. In operator, return true if the sequence with the specific value is present in the object. In short, value is present in the sequence. Not in operators, return true if the sequence with the specific value is not present in the object. In short, value is not found in the sequence. Note that in the dictionary, we only test the presence of the key, not the value. So let's move to the practical part. Now define list. Now use is in operator like 1 in nums is true. Now 10 in nums, check, it is false. Let's do this on a string like str in a string. It is true. If we add capital S, then it false. We can also use predefined function for this. First import operator library and use operator function operator dot contains function, and first pass the sequence which is nums, then the value we need to check which is 1. Now it's true. Now apply this on 10. It is false. Now move to not in operator. Now check first 1 not in nums, which is false because 1 is present in num list. Now use 12, which is not present in the sequence. Therefore, it returned true. Now use this string and use not in operator. It returned false because str is present. Now add double I and check. Return true because this is not present in this string. We can also use the predefined function like this, not keyword before this expression, and shift press enter to run the cell, which is true. Now we give 2, then it is false. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. And if this video helps you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you don't miss my any interesting video. Thank you.